ActiveCampaign for email marketing complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily use ActiveCampaign.com to create an emails and to send them to our subscribers. Basically it's pretty easy. We can easily automate our emails. So here we are on ActiveCampaign.com, and to get started we just simply need to input our email address right up here. As you can see, we can try it for free. We don't even have to input our credit card information. So when everything is done and we'll create an account, we'll come to our main page here. Basically these steps of registration are quite easy, and I think it's really easy for you to create an account. So here we are on our dashboard, and as you can see in the left side we have a menu here where we can find all the information. Basically we can find a lot of folders: contacts, campaigns, automation, deals, website, reports, and unlock features. Basically in contacts area we can find all of our subscribers information, how many of them do we have, and also we can easily find some more stats, like we can add text, fields, scrolling, list, exclusions, database sync, exports, and so on. In order to import or export our contacts, we can easily use these buttons in the right top corner, and we can also add a contact by clicking right up here. So all we need to input is just the first name, last name, email, phone number, and the account. So it will be easy for you to interact with your contacts from this folder. If we'll come to campaigns, we can easily find all the information. We'll create a campaign a little bit later. We can also manage content, campaign templates, free design service, message variables, and archive. And we can also find all the reports about our campaigns and so on. In the automations area, we can create different automations. We can create different triggers to send an email, so to receive something. So basically this folder is pretty helpful if we are going to automate our email marketing. And in deals area, we can interact with their CRM. They provide us the opportunity to work like this, so we can easily create a pipeline and do some other stuff from this page here. Also pretty cool if you're going to sell something or interact with our customers through the email marketing. Basically also can create a website on the ActiveCampaign. In order to do this, we need to visit website folder and click on create new campaign, and basically we'll come to their editor where we can create. And on the reports area, which is pretty cool, we can analyze all the information about campaigns, website deals, and so on. So basically all you need to understand, all you need to know about your business, you can find right up here. So let's go back to our main page, to our dashboard basically, and we can easily create a campaign right up here. So let's click on create a campaign, and we'll try to create something new. In this case we're going to interact with the campaigns only, so we need to input a campaign name, enter a name to help you remember what the campaign is all about. So let's try to name it like C1 campaign 1, and select a campaign time: standard, automated, auto respond, database, a recess triggered, or split testing. I'm going to use a standard, but you can also try to use automated or some other stuff. So in my case, let's try to use a standard. Let's click on next. And on the next page, we need to select the list or lists you'd like this campaign to send to. Filter your campaigns to specific contacts that match conditions. So let's use this one, master contact list. So let it be like this. You can choose something which is as better as for you. Let's go next. And on the design area, the next step here, we need to decide what we'd like to use. We can easily use email designers like drag and drop editor or something like this. We can also send the text only. We can just write some message and then just send it to our subscribers, or we can use custom HTML. We need to input the code, we need to write the code in this editor. So the easiest way is to use email designer. Let's click on continue, and from this page here we can find a lot of different templates. As you can see, all basic templates here, so like new blog post, product back in stock, like new salesperson assigned to an account, and so on. So we can find something which is suitable as for us. In my case, I'm going to interact with a new blog post. We can easily click on preview to find how does it look like. And as you can see, it looks like this. It's totally responsive as for the desktop and as for the mobile. I think it's pretty cool. So let's go back to our page here. And as you can see, we can easily start from scratch and design from a blank canvas just using their elements. We can create like different sections, we can add different elements, and I think it's pretty cool. So let's use this template here. Let's click on select. So we need to choose the sender details. From name, let it be like me. From email, let it be like me. And email subject, let it be like welcome post, something like this. Let's click on continue, and we'll come to our design area. From this page here, we need to design all the things we are going to send. We need to design the letter basically, so it may take a little time until everything will be uploaded. Let's close this stuff here. And as you can see, we have this letter here. We have a logo at the top of the letter. We have some information. We can like find a button here, also add two like images here with a small description and some information about our social medias. In order to interact with some blocks, we just simply need to click on it right up here, and in the right side we can find all the properties we can easily manage. So for example, we can change the logo, we can just simply upload it from our computer, or maybe upload it to our to this website basically. And these tabs we can interact are quite easily. For example, with this text we can easily just select and then just write the welcome to my channel, basically something like this. So all the parts here are customizable. Moreover, we can easily change the position, we can change the order of our sections, and the steps are quite simple. There are a lot of features we can easily use, and I suggest you just to come here and to try it by your own. So as you can see, we can even interact with this section here. If we click on more, we can easily duplicate, we can delete, we can interact with this text, we can change the properties, we can change the form, make it bold, italic, and so on. There are a lot of options. So let's click on next, and we'll come to our summary, basically where we can find all the information. Because of the new account, we have to verify our email, and also we need to provide a physical mailing address for the list of you've selected. So when everything is done, when all of this stuff will be filled, we can easily go to send and then just send this campaign. So let's click on save and exit, and we can easily find this campaign right up here in the campaign folder. So as you can see, it's right up here. If you're going to discover the paid plans, we can find that they have for the marketing 2 plans, for sales, for bundles, and for the transaction email. So basically there are a lot of plans. I think you can find something which is suitable as for you. So this is a way of how can we use ActiveCampaign website for email marketing. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.